Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I am going to be comparing two powerful video editing platforms, InVideo AI and Veed. Let's take a quick look at the features and see which one might be the right fit for you. So first let's dive into InVideo AI. This one is an intuitive AI-driven video editing tool that helps you create professional videos in minutes. It offers a variety of templates, text-to-video features, and a powerful AI that converts your scripts into engaging content with music, images, and transitions. The dashboard is straightforward, offering options to create videos from scratch or use pre-designed templates. You can upload your scripts and the AI will suggest visuals, music, and text animations. It's perfect for quick, professional looking videos. Now let's take a look at Veed.io. And Veed.io, unlike InVideo AI, offers a more hands-on experience with a user-friendly interface uh, and a powerful tool for video editing, subtitles, animations, and more. It's ideal for creators who want more customization in their videos, and Video also allows you to edit videos directly on their platform, add subtitles automatically, animate text, and even edit audio. It's all about creative control, but still easy enough for beginners to pick up. So, what's the difference between the two? So, in Video IO, let me quickly go back. Sorry. So, in Video IO, shines with its AI-driven features, providing automatic video creation from scripts, perfect for fast production. On the other hand, with IO gives you more control over your editing process with customizable tools and intuitive interface. If you're looking for a quick, automated way to create professional videos, InVideo AI is your best bet. But if you prefer hands-on editing with more customization, VidIO offers more creative freedom. Now, both tools are excellent in their own right, depending on your needs. Let me know in the comments which one you prefer and why. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more comparisons and video editing tips.